Eric B's Daily Vlogs.
It's been a while that I walked this path. It's also been a while that I put out a vlog. Today we are inside Golden Gate Park for an update, a Ferris wheel update. So let's get this started.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Welcome everyone, it's my daily vlog channel, Eric B's Daily Vlogs. I don't even know what to say anymore, or how to say it. It's been a while, but I'm inside Golden Gate Park. We are still masked up. Yes, it's been a minute since I put out a vlog, only because I've been doing this podcast thing, and if you guys haven't followed me on either one of my podcasts, shame on you for not doing that. I'll leave links to the podcast down below. But I'm inside Golden Gate Park because something that was supposed to happen 7 months ago, is finally gonna happen. Let's go walk over there. Let me guys show you the construction update of the San Francisco Ferris wheel. Let's go check this out. Let's go. It was set to open April 4th of this year, but because of the pandemic, coronavirus, they had to shut it down. And we're actually here watching it do a little test run. Now it's expected to open this week, October 22nd. The gondolas are up. They're doing a test run. I think that's cool. The SkyStar Ferris wheel. Let's get a closer look. Again, set to open April 4th. It's been 7 months since they decided that they're not going to open it because of the pandemic. How are they going to keep people 6 feet apart? And how many people are they going to put in the gondola? I guess most likely it's going to be bubble style, where it's going to be family only gondolas, but it's finally happening. We're finally going to have the SkyStar Ferris wheel in San Francisco up and operational. Again, April 4th is when we're going to open it. 150-foot tall Ferris wheel. It goes all the way around. You see the gondolas right there. Hopefully they're air-conditioned gondolas, especially on days like today. But that's going to be a fun thing that on these negative times, it's a good positive thing San Francisco's finally going to do. Can't wait. From here you can see the size of the gondolas. I don't remember the details, it's been a while. 6 to 9 people fitting in the gondolas right there. Can't wait, man. Can't wait. We need this. It's gonna be fun. And when it happens, I don't know if I'll come down there. Will I be the first one in line? Will I be here for the first ride ever? This is the front view right here. Check that out. 150-foot tall Ferris wheel coming here. And the cool thing about it is if you look over that direction, that's where the ticket booth is going to be. They're going to find a way to have people stand 6 feet apart, making sure they're not crowding the Ferris wheel. I'm definitely going to get on here. Definitely going to get on here. Ticket booth is going to be right here. You can scan the QR code. If you guys want to scan the QR code right there, go ahead and put your phone up to it and scan it. I believe it's going to be reservations only from what I saw. No weapons allowed on premises is one of the rules. Surveillance video at all times. And again, that's going to look mighty cool. That's going to look cool. Can't wait for it to start. or to finally happen. So I did scan the QR code and it says the 21st, and it is reservations required. And they do have the prices here. Tickets are $10, and grand openings from October 21st to 25th. And not sure anything after that, but gotta get here early. Those are the hours that they're gonna have right there. So I believe the first week that they're gonna open is most likely gonna be $10. Then after that, I'm not sure. It's gonna be crazy, but I wanna be on it for sure. Those people over there are interviewing for the job. The guy in the green is telling them exactly what they're supposed to do. So it looks like they are getting this ready. A lot of people is conjuring around. But this is your update for the Sky Tower that's opening up this week. This week's already sold out, so, but it's ready. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's vlog. A nice, short, quick vlog adventure, just talking about the Sky Tower that is set to open up November 21st. And from looking at the site, it looks like the $10 price is already sold out. So you guys who are here or trying to get the $10 price, it is done, it's over. But I think regular price is only $18. Don't quote me on that. Check out that QR code that I scanned over there. But October 21st, if there's a lot of people here just checking this site out right now, just imagine what it's gonna be when it's actually open. The good thing about reservation only, they're gonna keep the crowd limited. You only can come here during your time, allotted time that you're supposed to be here. So that's a good thing. Not a lot of people are gonna be able to come and line up and say, hey, you know, whatever. So it's a good thing. It's a good thing that they did this, and I'm kind of glad. I kind of want to see what they're gonna do when it comes to cleaning up the gondolas. Are they gonna do every other gondola, clean up a gondola, or are they gonna try to pack this to the max? So that's one of the questions that I'm trying to figure out, or how they're gonna do, but it's something that we can't see till we actually get here and see for ourselves on how they do it. But I'm glad it's opening up. 7 months. It took 7 months for them to finally get this going. 7 months. It's ready to go. I can't wait to come here at night to see what the lights look like at night as well. I'm gonna have to come back here another time. But until then, that's gonna do it for today. Follow me on my daily podcast. I'll leave links down below. I got 2 podcasts, the Daily Podcast with Eric B and the Ordinary Joe's podcast with my boy Jody. Follow me on the links down below. We'll definitely get that set up for you guys. And I'll figure out when I'm gonna put out another vlog. Notice the whole time I kept the mask on, because there's people around me who insist that they don't have to wear a mask. But until the next vlog, thanks for watching, guys, here from the Golden Gate Park's musical concourse, right by the Sky Tower, right behind me right there. Thanks for watching, guys. Vlog's ended. Go in peace. I will be back here to get on the ride and to look out towards the skies. But until then, we have to wait. But not tonight.
I made this.